Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create local and environmental variables in the Linux system. Okay, so let's get started. So type car, oh, just say car equals Jeep, and I'm going to hit enter. And if I type echo $, and then type the name of the variable, which is car in this case, I get Jeep. Okay, I get Jeep. And now let's do something else. Let's type the set command to see what's going to happen. The set command is going to list all the variables and functions in the Linux system, local functions and variables, which is right here. And now let me clear the screen. And another command that would show the properties of a variable would be declare -p, and let's just type car, and this is what we get: car equals Jeep. Okay, so now let's create an environmental variable. Let's type export, and let's just say truck equals Ford. And now let's type echo $truck. We get Ford, which is the output of this particular command. Okay, so if I type env, it will show us the list of our environment variables. Okay, and this is kind of like the set command, but for the environment variables, not local variable. And here is the variable that we just created. Okay, so let me show you this one: declare -p, and let me type truck, and this is what I get, the properties of the environment variable. Now let's type this new command: env grep, and type the name of our local variable, which is car. Since it is not an environment variable, it should not show any values, and it doesn't. However, if I type the same command, however this time I type truck, which is our environment variable. Oh, I misspelled truck. Okay, this is what you get: truck equals Ford, and this is an indicator that this is an environment variable. Okay, or in other words, it has an export attribute to it. Okay, so I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.